Good morning, everybody. So, yes, I know it's Saturday. I know I'm out here working. It's all good. We got rained out yesterday. So, I wanted to come on talk a little bit about windows because we're about to to change out this window. So, let me flip you all around. So, they have a triple pane or triple panel, rather, window, right? So, this right here that you see coming down, that is actually the glazing bead. So, that being said, and see over here, that's the glazing bead here. That is actually what holds the glass in. As you can see, if you push on the glass, I don't want to push too hard because I don't have anybody out there right now, but the glass itself flexes. Same thing over here, it's peeling away. Down here at the bottom, it's peeling away here. So you can see where it's flexing. You can probably even hear it. But that's what's holding the window in. Over here as well. See that? So without that glazing bead in, what's happening is the heat's getting in, moisture's getting in, and it's separating the glue that actually holds the window pane in. See that flex? Okay, so that's where some of your drafts are coming in and that kind of thing. So what we're going to go back with is we're going to go back with this window here, right? It's a side slide on one side, picture window in the middle, side slide on the other, full screen over there. But this window, this is their studio room, so they wanted it as dark as possible without having to go down the screens. So what I've done was I upsized the glass to our super low E, so it's actually a 30 U factor, 0.14 solar heat gain, because this room gets extremely hot. As you can see, it sits on the back side of their house overlooking their pool, so it gets extremely hot. So I wanted to be able to block out that heat. So it's only going to let 14% of the heat come into this room, which will be a huge savings on their light bill. So I will come back once we get done and get this window installed. We're going to set it from the inside, we're going to reach through the hole once we do the demo and bring that window in this way, because I've already done the fascia for this house and for their gutters. So they have gutters that run all the way around the house, and I don't want to damage those gutters in any way or fashion. Plus, this roof is a really steep. It's really steep, so we're going to do it all from the inside. Other than that, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will be back later. Thanks, bye.